Siksika na akong maging last. Pero meron pang dalawang tao. So inside, and I injured my leg. Anyway, back. Yo. Wow. Really nice. Oh, here's the capture. What do you got? I don't know. For this. Yo. Why did I do that? Yeah. I keep on making weird sounds. Sorry. Sorry for all this crap. This is the real life. Staircase. I'm gonna be making my knees a top. These are the colors I'm gonna use. Please don't mind my. This is what we're trying to recreate today. Cute. Is it a little tight though? Isn't that cute? This is the final sample. Finish it? Tofu. Finish your food. Yes? She's so cute. It's 5 a.m. I'm dead. Taking the stairs because both are elevators. Is this it? I'm actually scared. Okay, that was scary. I made it. I'm gonna get a facial. Crazy. Bubby, hi. Oh wow.
Your elevator. Look at my phone elevator.
Bubby, cute.
Pwede i-try ko rin yung other one.
Oh, I
Parang
got
masakit
this
pa.
kid.
Oh, stretchy talaga. But why?
Baha. Come here. Hey, hello. Hi, Bubby. Okay, go.
Wow, speedrun.